facts. Today, we have some fascinating unique facts about nature to share with you. So, let's dive right in. Fact 1. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it's home to an incredible variety of plants and animals. Fact 2. Have you ever heard of the Great Barrier Reef? It's the world's largest coral reef system, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. This vibrant underwater ecosystem is teeming with colorful fish, turtles, and other marine creatures. Fact 3. In the heart of Africa lies the Serengeti, a vast savanna known for its annual migration of over 1 million wildebeest, zebras, and other grazing animals. This natural spectacle is a sight to behold. Fact 4. Have you ever seen the Northern Lights? These mesmerizing lights illuminate the night sky near the Earth's poles. The dancing colors are a result of interactions between the Earth's magnetic field and charged particles from the Sun. Fact 5. The Grand Canyon in Arizona is an awe-inspiring natural wonder. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, its vastness and stunning rock formations make it a must-see destination for nature lovers. And there you have it, folks. Five unique facts about nature. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible wonders. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty of our natural world.